In today's video, we're looking at the while loop in the Pascal program. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to type the word program. And the name of our program for today's video, we're going to call it while underscore loop underscore example semicolon. I'm going to type the word var. And we'll be using two variables today. We'll be using x and y. And these will be integers. All right, let us type the word begin. And x will be assigned the number 0, and y should be equal here. Y will be assigned also 0. All right. So we're going to type the word right ln please enter a number or type 00 to end the program. Read ln x semicolon. All right, we're going to type our while loop now. While x is not equal to 0, do type the word begin. Y will be equal to y plus x semicolon. Then we're going to type right ln please enter a number or type 00 to end the program. Right? We're going to read ln x. All right, so we're going to type end semicolon, enter. Then we're going to type the word write, ln, open bracket, the sum of the numbers entered is y. Is y. Read ln and full stop. All right, let us compile the program. All right, we have 5 errors. Let us see where's the error. All right, we need, this is integer, so we're gonna remove the s there. Gonna compile. All right, so we're gonna compile the project again and see if it's compiled. All right, it's compiled successfully. We're gonna click this button that says execute. And here it says, please enter a number. So we're gonna enter 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm gonna press enter. We're gonna type 00 to end the program. And there it is, the program is working. All right, so let us close this again. And we're going to execute the program again. And we're gonna type 00 to see if the program will close. Yes, there it is. The sum of the numbers entered is 0 because we entered the sentinel value at the start. All right, so let us run it again. So we're gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna enter 00 and see what happens. And there it is, the program is working.